In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Microsoft Teams. If your microphone isn't working properly in Teams, don't worry. One of the most common causes is simply that the wrong microphone is selected in your audio settings. The good news is that you can usually fix this in just a few moments during a meeting or call, without needing to leave the session. To begin, make sure you are already in a Teams meeting or an active call. Once you're there, look for the microphone controls on the meeting toolbar. This is the area where you can mute or unmute yourself, and it also gives you access to additional audio options. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the microphone icon. This small arrow opens a menu with more control over your sound input. If your voice isn't being picked up, this is an important place to check because Teams may be using a different microphone than the one you actually want. For example, it might be defaulting to a built-in laptop mic instead of a headset or external USB microphone. After that, click on More Audio Settings. This will open the audio configuration area where you can review the devices Teams is currently using. Take your time here and look carefully at the microphone selection list. Now verify that your desired microphone is selected from the list. If you have more than one audio device connected, such as earbuds, a webcam with a microphone, a headset, or your computer's built-in microphone, make sure the correct one is chosen. Selecting the right device is often all it takes to solve the issue. If you're not sure which microphone to use, look for the name that matches the device you connected most recently or the one you plan to speak into. It can also help to speak briefly and watch for any input activity if Teams shows it, so you can confirm that your voice is being detected. Once the correct microphone is selected, your audio should work more reliably in the meeting or call. If it still doesn't, double check that your physical microphone isn't muted on the device itself and that it's securely connected. But in many cases, correcting the input device in Teams is the main fix. That's how to fix a microphone that's not working on Microsoft Teams by checking and adjusting your audio settings directly from the meeting controls.